This question belongs to Theory of Computation subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 1. So question states, which one of the following is true? So we need to tell which are regular. Let us see all the options one by one. So language is regular if we can draw a DFA for it or an NFA for it, or we can write a regular expression for it. Let us see, here we have a to the power n, b to the power n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. So what are some of the strings that belong to this? So we can have null, AB, double A, double B, triple A, triple B, which means we should have equal number of A's and B's. So we can't do this without a stack. So we need a stack. We will push A's till they are coming, and then for each B we will pop an A. And if we end up with an empty stack, then the string is accepted. So it's basically a DFA plus a stack, which is basically our basically DCFN language. This is our push down automata, DPDA, and it accepts DCFN language. This is not regular, as we can't have regular expression for it. Even we need a stack, so it is a DCFL or you can say CFL, but not regular. Option B, it is a to the power n, where n is prime. C, we can't write regular expression for it, as it is an infinite string and there is no pattern. Like we have a square, a cube, a5, a to the power 7, then we have a to the power 11, and it goes on like this, a to the power 30. There is no pattern in this. We basically need to do the division for finding the prime. So it's basically, it is CSL. It is not even CFL. It is not even CFL because there is no push and pop. So it can't be done using a stack. It is a CSL, so not regular. Let us see option C. It is W, where W has 3k plus 1 P's for some k belonging to n, which means B should be a multiple of 3, and it is 3k plus 1. It is 3k plus 1, which means it should be a multiple of 3 plus 1. Okay, so can we write a regular expression for this? Let us see whether we can write or not. So multiple of 3 means we should have A star B, A star B, A star B. B should be multiples of 3, so it should be plus. So either we will have 3 B's, 6 B's, 9 B's or 12 B's. Now we can have any A following it, yes, and we can have any A before it, yes, and we should have one extra B. So one extra B can be added over here or over here. Let us add this over here. So this ensures that, so let me tell you, this ensures that it is 3k. This ensures we can have any number of A's in beginning and end. This ensures it is plus 1. So we can write regular expression for it, thus it is regular. Now we have WW. So WW, example for WW is ABA, ABA, BB, then ABA, BB. So it is W and it is W. We can't write regular expression for it. Even we can't do with a stack. Let us suppose we push ABA, BB. But we need to pop this last A for each A. And we do not have a queue. We have a stack, so we can't pop the bottommost item. WWR can be done easily. But WW is not a CFL. It is a CSL. It can't be done using a push down automata. So it is not regular. So correct answer is option C is regular.